Hello everyone. So today let's start with the first chapter of accountancy, that is accounting for not-for-profit organization. So now what is accounting? Accounting is recording money transactions or financial transaction of not-for-profit organization. Now what are not-for-profit organizations? Their motive is service but not profit. Okay. So to understand this not-for-profit organization in detail, let us study the introduction. So there are certain organizations which are set up for providing service to its members and public in general. And those organizations are called as NPO or not-for-profit organization. And these organizations are used for providing welfare to society. And now what are the different types of not-for-profit organizations? There are charitable trust or any schools or religious establishment. So these are the different types of NPO. As we know, the main motive of NPO is to provide service, not profit. So they do not undertake any business activities and are managed by the trustees. Now, who are the trustees? They are the persons who look after NPO, that is not for profit organization, and its activities. So, the activities that are performed by the NPO, and hence these trustees are accountable to members of society. So, they maintain proper accounts by preparing receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. So with this, they prepare their financial statements.